हाय, बहुत सनसनी सी न्यूज़ सुनकर आई हूँ, सो आई थॉट वी शुड डिस्कस इट हेयर. So recently, I saw this news about a case in the Allahabad court where a wife complained about her husband that he is in a living in relationship with someone else. और ये आप सबने सुनी होगी. और मैंने उस न्यूज़ का कमेंट बॉक्स खोला तो आई वॉज शॉक्ड देख कर ही कि लोग क्या क्या बोल रहे हैं कि इसकी वाइफ किसी के साथ अफेयर्स में होगी, फलाना फलाना बहुत कुछ, राइट. तो वहाँ से मैं देख रही थी कि इन लोगों ने न्यूज़ ही ठीक से नहीं सुनी है या क्या बात है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. इवन कोर्ट सेड समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग दैट लॉ एंड मोरालिटी आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स, विच इज़ ट्रू. मैं एग्री करती हूँ इस चीज़ से. It simply means just because something feels wrong morally, it doesn't mean it is a crime, right? So in this case, court said if two adults choose to live in together even after married, so the court can't really stop them. And where it confusion started, people assume that he made something wrong decision or something like that. That does not mean it is right morally, but also does not mean wife has nothing to do with it and she can't do anything in this case. She can take a divorce. She can seek for maintenance, and there is a lot of things she can do still. And this make real sense for her whole case. The judge even not said this is right. He simply said that this is the adultery rights where two adults choose to do this. One more thing which is very important to mention here, where the judge itself ends with the statement that this particular case is very complicated, why morally and legally, and as we all know, the high court decision is not a universal truth. A high court decision can still be challenged in the Supreme Court of India, as we all know, right? So yeah, law doesn't always decide what is wrong or what is right. It only decides what is punishable and what is not. That's it. Okay, bye. अभी कंफ्यूजन नहीं, सोचो अच्छे से इस बारे में. Bye.